Did you know that nearly half of Americans carry credit card debt? Using a credit card wisely can make a significant difference in your financial health. In this video, we'll share practical tips for using a credit card wisely, helping you avoid debt and build a strong financial future. Managing a credit card responsibly is crucial for maintaining a good credit score and financial stability. Let's dive into the first section on understanding credit cards. Understanding how credit cards work is the first step to using them wisely. Let's explore the basics of credit cards and their key features. 1. How credit cards work. A credit card allows you to borrow money from a bank to make purchases up to a certain limit. Each month, you receive a statement detailing your transactions and the amount you owe. You can either pay the full balance or a minimum payment by the due date. If you don't pay the full balance, interest is charged on the remaining amount. 2. Types of credit cards. There are various types of credit cards, each with unique features. Standard credit cards, basic cards with no frills, often used for everyday purchases. Rewards credit cards, offer points, cashback, or miles for spending. These rewards can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. Secured credit cards require a cash deposit as collateral, ideal for building or rebuilding credit. Business credit cards, designed for business expenses, often with rewards and features tailored to business needs. Student credit cards, tailored for college students with lower credit limits and rewards geared towards student spending habits. 3. Key terms to know. Familiarize yourself with these important credit card terms. APR, annual percentage rate, the interest rate charged on unpaid balances. Credit limit, the maximum amount you can borrow on your credit card. Minimum payment, the smallest amount you must pay each month to keep your account in good standing. Grace period, the time between the end of your billing cycle and the payment due date. Balance transfer, moving debt from one credit card to another, usually to take advantage of lower interest rates. Cash advance, withdrawing cash using your credit card, often with high fees and interest rates. 4. Interest rates and fees. Understanding the cost of using a credit card is crucial. Pay attention to interest rates, the cost of borrowing money. Annual fees. Some cards charge an annual fee for the benefits they offer. Late fees, charged if you miss a payment due date. Foreign transaction fees, fees for using your card abroad. By understanding these basics, you can choose the right credit card for your needs and manage it effectively. Next, we'll discuss the benefits of using credit cards wisely. Using a credit card wisely offers numerous benefits that can enhance your financial health. Let's explore these benefits in detail. 1. Building credit history. Using a credit card responsibly helps build your credit history. Consistently paying your balance on time and keeping your credit utilization low positively impacts your credit score. A good credit score is essential for securing loans, mortgages, and even favorable insurance rates. 2. Rewards and cashback. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that provide points, cashback, or miles for every dollar spent. These rewards can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, statement credits, or even cash. Choosing a card with rewards that match your spending habits can maximize the benefits you receive. 3. Purchase protection. Credit cards often come with purchase protection benefits. This can include extended warranties, price protection, and coverage for damaged or stolen items. These protections can save you money and provide peace of mind when making significant purchases. 4. Convenience and security. Credit cards are convenient for everyday transactions and offer enhanced security compared to carrying cash. They come with fraud protection, and many cards have zero liability policies for unauthorized charges. Additionally, credit cards can be easily replaced if lost or stolen, unlike cash. 5. Emergency funds. A credit card can serve as an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or urgent home repairs. While it's essential to have a dedicated emergency savings account, a credit card provides an additional safety net. 6. Travel benefits. Many credit cards offer travel-related benefits, such as travel insurance, rental car coverage, and access to airport lounges. Some cards also waive foreign transaction fees, making them ideal for international travel. These perks can enhance your travel experience and save you money. 7. Financial management tools. Credit cards often provide tools to help you manage your finances better. This can include spending analysis, budgeting tools, and alerts for upcoming payments. Using these tools can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. 8. Building financial discipline. Using a credit card wisely requires financial discipline. Regularly reviewing your statements, setting a budget, and paying your balance in full each month can help you develop good financial habits. Over time, these habits can lead to better financial stability and success. By leveraging these benefits, you can make the most of your credit card while maintaining financial discipline. Next, we'll discuss common pitfalls to avoid when using a credit card. Using a credit card wisely involves avoiding common pitfalls that can lead to debt and financial trouble. Here are some of the most significant mistakes to watch out for and how to avoid them. 1. Overspending. One of the biggest dangers of credit cards is the temptation to overspend. Credit cards give you access to more funds than you may have in your bank account, leading to impulse purchases and accumulating debt. To avoid this, stick to a budget and only charge what you can afford to pay off each month. 2. Carrying a balance. Paying only the minimum payment each month means you're carrying a balance, which accrues interest. High interest rates can quickly increase your debt, Aim to pay off your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. 3. Ignoring the interest rate. Not all credit cards have the same interest rates. High interest rates can lead to substantial debt if you're not careful. Always be aware of your card's APR and prioritize paying off cards with the highest interest rates first. 4. Missing payments. Missing a payment can result in late fees, increased interest rates, and a negative impact on your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. If you do miss a payment, contact your credit card issuer immediately to discuss your options. 5. Exceeding your credit limit. Maxing out your credit card can harm your credit score and lead to over-limit fees. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your credit limit to maintain a good credit score. If you need a higher limit, consider requesting an increase from your issuer, but only if you can manage it responsibly. 6. Applying for too many cards. Each credit card application results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your credit score. Additionally, having too many cards can make it difficult to manage payments and track spending. Only apply for cards that you truly need and can manage responsibly. 7. Cash advances. Withdrawing cash using your credit card comes with high fees and interest rates. Cash advances typically have no grace period, meaning interest starts accruing immediately. Avoid cash advances unless it's an absolute emergency. 8. Not reviewing statements. Failing to review your credit card statements can lead to unnoticed errors or fraudulent charges. Regularly check your statements for accuracy and report any discrepancies to your issuer immediately. 9. Neglecting rewards programs. Many credit cards offer rewards for spending, but failing to understand or use these programs means missing out on potential benefits. Make sure you understand your card's rewards program and use it to your advantage without overspending just to earn points. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can use your credit card as a powerful financial tool rather than a source of debt. Next, we'll explore best practices for smart credit card use. Using a credit card smartly requires adopting best practices that enhance your financial health and maximize the benefits of your credit card. Here are some tips to help you manage your credit card wisely. 1. Pay the balance in full. Always aim to pay your credit card balance in full each month. This helps you avoid interest charges and maintain a good credit score. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. 2. Keep credit utilization low. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. Keeping this ratio below 30% is crucial for a healthy credit score. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000, try to keep your balance below $3,000. 3. Monitor statements and transactions. Regularly review your credit card statements for any errors or unauthorized transactions. Monitoring your account helps you catch and report discrepancies early, protecting you from fraud. 4. Use rewards programs effectively. If your credit card offers rewards, make sure to use them wisely. Understand how your rewards program works and redeem points, miles, or cashback efficiently. Avoid overspending just to earn rewards, and focus on maximizing benefits from your regular purchases. 5. Set a budget. Establish a monthly budget for your credit card spending to avoid overspending. Track your expenses and ensure they align with your budget. This helps you maintain control over your finances and prevents debt accumulation. 6. Take advantage of benefits. Many credit cards offer additional benefits such as travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranties. Familiarize yourself with these perks and use them when applicable to get the most value from your card. 7. Avoid cash advances. As mentioned earlier, cash advances come with high fees and interest rates. Only use this feature in absolute emergencies. Plan ahead to avoid situations where you might need to take out a cash advance. 8. Balance transfers. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, consider a balance transfer to a card with a lower interest rate. Many cards offer introductory 0% APR on balance transfers for a certain period. This can help you pay down debt faster, but be mindful of balance transfer fees. 9. Don't close old accounts. Length of credit history is a factor in your credit score. Keep older accounts open, even if you don't use them frequently. This helps maintain a longer average credit history, which positively impacts your score. 10. Stay informed. Stay updated on changes to your credit card's terms and conditions. Read any communications from your credit card issuer to be aware of updates that might affect your account. By following these best practices, you can use your credit card responsibly and reap the benefits without falling into debt. Finally, let's wrap up with a summary and some final thoughts. We've covered essential tips for using a credit card wisely, from understanding how they work to leveraging their benefits and avoiding common pitfalls. By following these best practices, you can manage your credit card effectively and build a solid financial foundation. Recap of key points. Understanding credit cards. Learn how credit cards work, familiarize yourself with different types of cards, and understand key terms and interest rates. Benefits of using credit cards wisely. Build credit history, earn rewards and cashback, enjoy purchase protection, and benefit from convenience and security. Avoiding common pitfalls. Avoid overspending, carrying a balance, missing payments, exceeding your credit limit, applying for too many cards, taking cash advances, neglecting statements, and failing to use rewards programs effectively. Best practices for smart credit card use. Pay your balance in full, Keep credit utilization low, monitor statements, use rewards programs wisely, set a budget, take advantage of benefits, avoid cash advances, consider balance transfers, keep old accounts open, and stay informed. Using a credit card responsibly can be a powerful tool for building your financial future. Always stay disciplined, be mindful of your spending, and make informed decisions to maximize the benefits of your credit card while minimizing risks. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and tips. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these strategies. Together, we can all achieve greater financial literacy and success. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to using credit cards wisely.